Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to share this recipe with you guys today. I've been wanting to make it for a long time and finally here it is. I'm gonna be making Jamaican coco bread, and this we use in Jamaica. We just slap a patty in between. Well, you can call it a patty sandwich if you like, and it is nice and soft and it is delicious. To my bowl, I'm going to be adding some all-purpose flour, granulated sugar. I have some instant dry yeast, some salt, and some softened butter, unsalted butter. And I'm just going to work the butter into the flour till it kind of resembles like a bread crumb. I am satisfied with that, so I'm going to go in with some warm coconut milk. You can use whole milk, 2% milk, or water, but this coconut milk adds that extra little flavor. I'm going to keep adding the coconut milk gradually until I get a nice soft sticky dough. Once your dough is nicely formed, you want to make sure you flour your work surface. Make sure it's clean. Sprinkle a bit of flour over your dough to prevent it from sticking, and you want to give it a good knead for about 5 to 6 minutes. Put some muscle in there. Push and pull and knead till it's nice and smooth. This is perfect. I'm just going to grease my bowl, put my dough ball inside there, drizzle some vegetable oil over it, rub over the top. Then I'm going to place a damp kitchen towel that is very clean over the bowl, or you can use plastic wrap or a damp paper towel. I'm going to pop this in the microwave and leave it to rise for an hour. Now it has doubled in size. You want to punch it down, get rid of that extra gas, give it a bit of squeeze, a little knead, a little tuck here and there, nothing too much. Bring it back together. Look at that texture. The gluten is well set, guys. This is gonna be nice and soft and chewy and stringy. You don't want to over knead it at this point. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut it with, you can break off little balls or cut it with whatever. I'm just using a knife, and I'm gonna be doing some big cocoa bread, guys. You can make yours as small as you want. I'm gonna be getting 6 from this. You want to roll them nice and neat in little balls. Now, after working the dough again, you might want to leave it to rest a little 5 minutes, give the gluten a chance to relax, else they're gonna kind of push back, give you a little bit of resistance if you try to roll them up right after balling them up and all of that. You need to let the gluten relax, and you want to roll it out as round as possible, each of them to probably a 1/8 to a 1/4 inch thick. Spread some melted butter all over the surface, and then you're gonna fold it in half. You're gonna repeat the process until you're finished. And also you're gonna brush the very top with melted butter. I greased and floured my tray. And at this point, you want to make sure that your oven is being preheated. 300 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to cover these with a kitchen towel and let them rise for another 15 to 20 minutes. And here they are, nice and fluffy. And I'm going to pop these in the oven for about 15 to 25 minutes. Just kind of eyeball them. And we are done. These are lovely, guys. Brush the top with some butter. Well, they're still nice and hot. Now let me show you on the inside. Look at that, nice and soft and buttery. At this point, you want to get your hot Jamaican patty, put it on the inside and take a generous bite. This is easy to make, really easy to make. You just have to put in some time and little elbow grease. And like I said, you can make them as small as you want and as big as you want. This is a small one here. Look at the texture. I kid you not. This is nice and soft. You won't regret it. I hope you give this recipe a try, and thanks for watching.